Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi dipping sauce. First, gather your ingredients: soy sauce, rice vinegar, a touch of sugar, and a hint of sesame oil. This combination creates a balanced flavor profile that perfectly complements your sushi. We'll mix these together quickly to achieve a sauce that's both simple and incredibly flavorful. Get ready to elevate your sushi experience with this easy recipe. For a classic soy-based dipping sauce, start with 4 tablespoons of good quality soy sauce. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. This provides a pleasant tang that cuts through richness. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger for a zesty kick. Finally, a half teaspoon of sesame oil will add a wonderful nutty aroma. Whisk these ingredients together until well combined for a traditional and flavorful option. If you prefer a creamy and spicy option, try this spicy mayo dipping sauce. Begin with 3 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sriracha hot sauce to give it a nice kick. Adjust to your preferred spice level. A teaspoon of fresh lime juice will brighten the flavors beautifully. Stir all ingredients thoroughly until the sauce is smooth and creamy, perfect for a different sushi experience. Don't be afraid to customize your dipping sauce to suit your taste. You can add a pinch of red chili flakes for extra heat or a dash of honey for a touch of sweetness. These small adjustments can make a big difference. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Store any leftover sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade sushi dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.